Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have an adorable 3-bedroom, 2-bath home to show you, conveniently located in Chalmette. And this home has a roof that's only 4 years old. Lots to see inside. Let's go on in and take a look. As you enter into this home, the first thing you see is this absolutely beautiful leaded glass front entry door. Now, we're entering into the main living area. It is so spacious, freshly painted, all neutral, and there's even crown molding throughout all the main living area. Now, because this is an open floor plan, we are seamlessly walking right into this beautiful kitchen. It has 3-centimeter granite, the warm wood tone cabinetry, and stainless appliances. And then right outside of that window is a lovely view of the backyard. I also love this huge peninsula. This is so great for serving or even prep. And now we're in the dining room. This is a wonderful space. It is so roomy in here. And then on one side we have the entry to the carport, and the other side there is the very spacious laundry room right behind me. All right, still lots more to see. Coming right off of the living room, the first thing we come to is the first of several storage closets, and then we head into the shared bath. This room is light, bright, and airy. It has a brand new large vanity, new countertop, new mirror, and even a brand new modern light fixture. There is a tub and shower combination that is fully tiled all the way around. Now, as we head back into the hallway, here is another storage closet on my right and another one on my left. All right, now we are in the first of the 3 bedrooms. So each of these rooms has hard surface flooring, which I really love to have that throughout the home. And now we are moving back to the front of the home. So we are entering into the second of the 3 bedrooms, and there's a lot to love about this room. There are 3 windows all the way around, letting in lots of natural light. The room is spacious, and it even has a spacious closet that spans the entire wall. All right, still lots more to see. Now we're headed back to the end of the hall, and we're entering into the primary suite. So I love how spacious this bedroom is. There's plenty of room for a king-size bed and lots of additional furniture. And now we're entering into the ensuite. So there is a brand new vanity and countertop here, a brand new modern light fixture, and a very deep, spacious soaking tub and shower combination behind me. It has a very neutral tile, and it feels very spa-like. All right, still lots to see outside. Right off of the dining room is this wonderful laundry room. So not only is there plenty of space in here for your washer and dryer, but there's a lot of room behind me for additional storage. Now we're walking into one of my favorite spaces in the home, and that is this concrete covered patio. So not only is it covered, but it's also screened all the way around, which makes it so ideal for outdoor living. Also, the backyard is wonderful. It's fenced all the way around, and there's even a large storage shed behind me. This house is fabulous. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.